Yes, folks, the same rules apply to counting your change that apply to the ethics of life. If you have a quarter, you mix it up, you're looking around. The quarters protect the dimes and the nickels. They're bigger physically and worth more, but you can always find a nickel or a dime right next to the quarter when you're looking. Quarters usually don't hang out together, but in my case, I figured out that even though the quarter knows its worth, it still protects the nickel. Not just because it's smaller, but because, and less valuable, but because it just does. It's the nature of things. And just like with people, the quarter, the more valuable one, protects the smaller one. And you can always find one set together. So, for the rest of it, you thought I was a loser yesterday, but I found my change.